Hey guys, my name is Exordium, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clone any Discord server without having any admin permissions inside of it. So for this video we're going to be cloning this server called Tailwind CSS, and this cloner is going to clone all of the channels inside of the server as well as the picture and the name. So for this to work, you'll have to go into the description below and download this folder. Then once you have downloaded it, you want to double click on install.bat. It's going to install everything that you need. It's going to install all of the different npm packages. So once that's done, you can click on start.bat, and then it's going to open up this window right here. Now it asks for your Discord token, so you'll have to go into your Discord client and hit Ctrl+Shift+I to open up the developer console. You want to head into the network tab, and then you want to go into any channel. You'll see that it sends a GET request to this endpoint right here, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a property called authorization. You want to copy the value of this property, and you can close this developer console and you can go back to the program. Then you want to right click with your mouse to paste this. Ctrl+V won't work, so right click, you want to click enter, and then it's going to ask for the server ID of the server that you want to copy. So as I said, we're going to be copying Tailwind CSS. I'm going to copy the ID of the server. If you can't see the copy ID button, you want to go into your settings and you want to scroll down into advanced, and you want to enable the developer mode. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this button right here, so you can copy the ID, go back into the program, and then once again you want to right click on your mouse to paste in the ID, and then want to hit enter, and the last thing it's going to ask you for is the ID of the server that you want to paste this entire thing into. So you want to create a new server, or actually you can do this on an existing server as well, but I'm going to create a new server for this video. I'm going to call it, or actually I'm not going to call it anything, I'm just going to go ahead and create the server, and once the server exists, I'm going to right click on the server, I'm going to copy its ID, and then I'm going to paste it inside of this program. As soon as I hit enter, it's going to start to clone everything inside of our origin server. So as soon as I hit enter, you'll see that it removed all of the channels, and it creates all of the categories, and it creates all of the channels, and this won't really take that long, maximum of like 30 seconds, depends on how big the server is. As you can see, it's already done. It says server has been successfully cloned, and the cool thing about this is that if you go into the server settings and if you go into roles, you'll see that it copied all of the roles of the origin server. As you can see, we have all of the different roles that Tailwind CSS has. Now that's basically all I want to show you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, then please leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.